Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. The weather is cooling up, so today I thought of making a very healthy soup with whatever vegetables are left over in my refrigerator. Pot out on medium heat with only a teaspoon of oil. Once the oil heats up, add chopped onions and leeks. If leek is unavailable at your place, then just leave it out. Garlic goes in. Then comes some ingredients that probably you've never added when cooking soup. This is coriander seeds that I ground coarsely. Guys, coriander seeds give a beautiful flavor to the soup. Then ground cumin. I also like adding a dried bay leaf and a cinnamon stick. Now, if you are not a fan of cinnamon flavor, then either do not add it or add a small one. I love cinnamon flavor in my soup. That's why I added such a giant one. Next, add the hard vegetables one by one. Carrots, potatoes and sweet potato. Add salt and stir for a minute. Then comes a good amount of ginger. And then, what do you think? Yes, my friend, turmeric powder. Now what's all this going on, Bumbi? First you added ground coriander, then cumin, and now turmeric. Is this a soup or a curry? Well, my friend, it's a soup, that's all that I can say. Okay, next my favorite red lentils enter the scene. Rinse the lentils very well before adding them. 5 cups of boiling hot water goes in. You can also use vegetable broth. I also added freshly crushed black pepper. Once it comes up to a boil, lower the heat to low and let it simmer away for some time. And I don't know whether my camera is catching up, but the lentils have started falling apart. So now it's time to add the zucchini. Cover the pot and let the soup simmer away till the lentils turn tender. Okay guys, the lentils have become soft along with all the veggies. Heat off and I will be pureeing everything. Now if you do not have a hand blender, do not worry. Just use your regular blender after everything cools down considerably. If you do not want to use a blender, use a potato masher and try your best to mash everything. Even that will work. I added another cup of hot water as everything is looking too thick for me. But if you want a very thick soup, you do not need to add any more water. Next I added very finely chopped carrots. I like to see those little orangey carrots swimming all around in my soup. Cover it and let it cook on medium heat for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, the soup is all done. Add chopped parsley, and I love adding lemon juice to any soup. But guys, please remember to switch off the heat immediately after adding lemon juice. The lentils make this soup super hearty and comforting. And those carrots add a little bit of crunch, along with the freshness from the lemon juice. You've got to try this recipe, my friends. Please smash the like button for me. Bye-bye.